I solemnly swear that I am up to no good. What's up, you guys? It's the BA. Now, when I hear law firms, my mind immediately goes to Pearson Spector. And if you haven't watched Suits, I highly recommend it. It's a really good show. So today we're going to be talking about the biggest law firms in South Africa. To be honest, it didn't even occur to me that we have big fancy law firms here in SA. Obviously we do, but it's just one of those things that never really pop off in your head. Or maybe it's just me. Anyway, let's get into it. So the Big Five is what they're known as in these streets, as they are perceived to be the leading law firms based in South Africa. If you want to work for these law firms as a lawyer, check out my Law Degree Explained video. There I explain how you can get an LLB degree and become an attorney in South Africa. I'll link that video at the end of this one and in the description below. So in this video, I'll be listing the Big Five in alphabetical order and we'll be giving some basic information about them. Now, number one, we have Bowmans Law. This law firm was founded in 1885. They have offices in Cape Town, Dar es Salaam, Durban, Johannesburg, Kampala, Lilongwe, Lusaka, Mocha, and Nairobi. They have over 400 specialist lawyers. Their clients include corporates, multinational and state-owned enterprises across a range of industry sectors, as well as financial institutions and governments. Now, when it comes to awards, here are some of their recent achievements. Most recently, Merger Market identified them as the #1 legal advisor for Africa by number of completed deals in 2020. At the inaugural IFLR 1000 Awards for Sub-Saharan Africa 2020, they received 10 awards across 4 jurisdictions. At the African Legal Awards 2020, they won awards in 3 categories and were highly commended in a further 4 categories, including African Law Firm of the Year, Large Practice. They received awards in 3 out of 4 categories at the Dealmakers East Africa Awards in 2019 for Top Legal Advisor in the Mergers and Acquisitions category for both deal flow and deal value, and advised on the Deal of the Year. In the Dealmakers South Africa Awards in 2020, they were placed 3rd for both transaction value and transaction volume in the General Corporate Finance category, and 4th for both deal value and deal volume in the Mergers and Acquisitions category. 2, we have Cliff Decker Hofmeyer. Now, this law firm was founded in 1853. They have offices in Cape Town, Johannesburg, and Stellenbosch. They are a full-service law firm with an extensive reach across Africa, consisting of more than 350 lawyers and a track record spanning over 167 years. They focus on a number of key sectors which are active and thriving in Africa, including mergers and acquisitions, agriculture, aquaculture and fishing, commercial real estate, consumer goods, services and retail, energy and power, oil and gas, financial institutions, and a whole lot more. Now, when it comes to awards, here are some of their recent achievements. At the 2020 Dealmakers Awards, they received the following: first place by Mergers and Acquisitions Deal Flow, first place by BEE Deal Flow, first place by BEE Deal Value, second place by General Corporate Finance Deal Flow, second place by General Corporate Finance Deal Value, and third place by Mergers and Acquisitions Deal Value. Number 3, Ens Africa. Now, this was founded in 1905. They have offices in Accra, Cape Town, Durban, Johannesburg, Kampala, Kigali, Nairobi, Port Louis, Stellenbosch, Swakopmund, Walvis Bay, and Windhoek. They also have pro bono offices in Alexandra and Mitchell's Plain. They have over 600 specialist practitioners, and their website claims that they are Africa's largest law firm. They are recognized by top-ranking agencies such as Chambers Global Guide, Legal 500 EMEA Guide, IFLR 1000 Financial and Corporate Guide, and International Tax Review's World Tax Guide, as well as by the African Legal Award for achieving consistently high standards when working on the continent. At number 4, we have Wentzel in alliance with Linklaters, or Linklaters. Anyway, it was founded in 1868, 4 years after Damon and Stefan were turned. They have offices in Cape Town and Johannesburg. They have over 150 years of experience and industry knowledge, and claim to be the leading full-service law firm on the African continent. Now, when it comes to awards, here are some of their hits. At the Chambers Africa 2021 Awards, they won South Africa Law Firm of the Year. They were recognized at the 2019 and 2020 Law Firm of the Year at the South African Professional Service Awards. At the 2020 Dealmakers Awards, they won the following: Legal Dealmakers of the Decade for Mergers and Acquisitions by Deal Value, Legal Advisor of the Year 2019 for Mergers and Acquisitions by Deal Value, Legal Advisor of the Year for 2019 for Mergers and Acquisitions by Deal Flow, Legal Advisor of the Year 2019, General Corporate Finance by Deal Value. And they also received second place for Legal Advisor of the Year 2019, General Corporate Finance by Deal Value, and second place for BEE Legal Advisor of the Year 2019 by Deal Value and Deal Flow. Lastly, we have Varsamen Attorneys. Founded in 1917, they have offices in Cape Town, Johannesburg, and Stellenbosch. They are a preeminent corporate and commercial law firm in South Africa. They deliver a unique client experience, going far beyond the application of law by partnering with each client and delivering highly specialized, attention-focused solutions and the best possible outcomes. This disciplined approach has resulted in Varsamen being regarded as one of the most innovative firms in Africa and beyond. Here's a list of some of their 2020 accolades. They were ranked by Chambers Global as Band 1 in Dispute Resolution, Media and Broadcasting, and Restructuring and Insolvency. Band 2 in Capital Markets, Debt and Corporate Investigations, Corporate Mergers and Acquisitions, Energy and Natural Resources, Mining, Environment and Tax. Band 3 in Banking and Finance, Competition or Antitrust, Employment and Real Estate, and Band 4 in Intellectual Property and Projects in Energy. They were ranked by IFLR 1000 as Tier 2 in Banking and Finance, Capital Markets, Energy, Infrastructure, Mergers and Acquisitions, Mining, Oil and Gas, and Tier 3 in Project Finance. They were also ranked by the Legal 500 as Tier 1 in Dispute Resolution, Tier 2 in the following areas: Banking and Finance, Commercial, Corporate and Mergers and Acquisitions, Competition and Construction, Employment, Mining, Project and Infrastructure, Real Estate and Tax, and Tier 3 in Investment Funds and Intellectual Property. So there you have it, guys, an overview of the biggest law firms in South Africa. And that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. Do check out my other videos, and as always, mischief managed.